Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop syncing photos to Google Photos. So to do this we need to disable backup. So it's pretty easy. You need to open Google Photos application, then click at your icon at the right top, and right here at the second line we have backup. You need to tap at this line and then click at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. We just disable backup and now it stopped syncing your photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.